So hello guys. In this video, I'll be showing you an alternative to STABLEFUND, okay? An alternative to Optimus, an alternative to a whole lot of DeFi projects coming up telling us they trade the Forex market or they trade the crypto space and they pay us a certain amount of percentage, 1.5, 1% as the case may be. Now, this is a website. The name of the website is called ICX, okay? ICX101. This is a genuine website that I have been making earning from for the past, let me say 2 years, okay? These guys, they actually trade Forex, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you their trade and everything on my FS book, okay? These guys have been with them and have been earning for the past. Let me quickly show you. You can see that I've been earning with these guys since almost 2 years now. Okay, you can see I just made this withdrawal. You can see this $77 BTC October 2nd. You see approved. Okay, I actually just made this withdrawal this very month, last month of October, right? Now we're in November, last month of October. Let me go back and show you where I actually joined them. You can see this is June 13, 2021. This is the time I made my first withdrawal. Okay, 70 BTC, $70 worth of BTC. You can see 2121 worth of BTC, August 2021. Okay, down to this October 2022. I've been earning and making money with these guys consistently. Okay, they actually trade the forex market, okay? And they also have a coin. Now, let me quickly show you the coin. Let's go down here. Let me quickly show you the coin, okay? You can see when you go to CoinMarketCap, just click on iCommerce coin. You're going to see their coin. You can see the value of the coin presently on CoinMarketCap. They have a coin that is called iCommerce, okay? I actually have like about 2, 3 accounts in this particular website, okay? So the coin is already on CoinMarketCap and they also trade the forex market and they pay us up to 5% weekly. Now, let me quickly show you the trading plan, okay? The trading plan is they give you up to 5% weekly, not like there's a static that they tell you that every day they give you 1%. No, any website that tells you they pay you 1%, 2%, 3% weekly, there's something sketchy about it. Not all, but most of them, because you know what? In Forex and in crypto, there's no static amount of money you can actually make every day because it actually fluctuates. There are days you make losses. There are days you actually make profit in Forex and in crypto. Okay. So these guys, because they trade truly, they are telling you we are not giving you 5% weekly or 10% weekly. They tell you they are giving you up to 5% weekly. Okay, let me quickly show you. You can see it here, up to 5% weekly. You can see here, you can see up to 5%, up to 5. So there are weeks that it could be 4%. There are weeks it could be 4.5%. There are weeks it could be 5%. That is how they actually do the trading, and we get paid every Sunday, right? Now, quickly, before I begin to show you the packages that they actually have, right? Before I begin to show you all that, let me quickly go to my FS book, right? My FS book is a website that you can use to check the trading performances of any website or of any individual that tells you that he or she actually trade the forex market. Okay, now we are going to type in ICX. We're going to type in ICX101 here. That is the name of the company. You can see the name of the company came up here. So we're going to click on it. Okay, now what are we trying to do? We're trying to find out if this company actually exists and they actually trade the forex market. Okay, so we're going to come down here. You can see this is the name of the company, right? You can see the name of the company, ICX. Okay, ICX101. You can see the gain 80.02%. Okay, and you can see the graph. You can see the graph going up here. You can see the graph going up here. That goes to tell you that these guys are actually trading. Let us do more research about this company. Let's click on the name of the company, which is ICX101. Want to do more finding about this website to find out if they are actually trading and they're actually making money from the Forex market, okay? Now, when you come down here, you're going to see that, let's say their balance here is $5,000, okay? Let's check here. Okay, You can see the company actually in this account, they deposit $3 million into this their trading account. You can see $3 million here, right? They deposit $3 million here. And when you look at their profit, you can see they've made profit of $2 million here, right? You can see $2 million here. These are things I actually want you to check out yourself. So for that reason, I'll be dropping the link to ICX101 right below this video. So what you're going to do is go to the description of this video, then you're going to click on the link. The first link in the description of the video is going to take you to the website of ICX101, okay? So you come up here, you're going to see every day, you're going to see their trade every day, okay? My FS book is a global website that actually shows you the trade of every individual or company, okay? Their performances, okay? So today you can see on the 4th, you can see all their performances, okay? You can see, when you see this green, it means a winning trade. Then when you see this, this red, you click on it, you can see on the 4th of October, they made a loss of 2.981 pips, okay? So they lost, but you can see on October the 6th, they made, wow, 5.117K pips, okay? So you can see the profit and the loss that the individual or the company is making trading the forex market, okay? Now, when you come down here, it's going to show you, you can see their monthly gain. You can see in June, they made 15.04%. You can see in July, they made 19.99%. You can see, just you check, that's how you actually know if a company is actually trading the forex market or not, okay? So this company, we've been able to verify that they actually trade the forex market. Now, how do you join this company and begin to make this consistent weekly payout of up to 5%? Now, see, one of the problems most of us have is that we are looking for a website or a project that pays us 2%, 3%, 10% weekly. And most of these guys are scam. They come in to scam you of your added money. And I believe you don't want to go that route again because you've seen enough. I personally have seen enough of all this rubbish, okay? So I don't want to go that route again. That is why I've been with ICX 101. And I've been taking up to my 5% every week, okay? So now let me even quickly show you. Let me quickly go to my withdrawal here. Let me go to my withdrawal here and click on my withdrawal. I want to show you something quickly. You can come down here. You can see even this November 6th, you can see that I actually withdraw $76. You can see it here. You can see I withdraw, right? So on this particular account, I've made withdrawals a whole lot also, okay? Now, let me quickly show you the kind of packages they have. What you need to do is this: when you click on that link, the first link in the description, and it brings you here, you come to this place where it says packages, right? Then you come down and you click on this trading pack, okay? Now, when you click on this trading pack, it's going to load. What is taking you to the different packages that they have, okay? So you can start with as little as $20, okay? Down to $5,000, okay? If you want to subscribe more even after this $5, you can go ahead and subscribe, okay? But for me, on this particular account, I think I subscribe to the $1,000. This particular one is what I subscribe to. Let me quickly show you that. On this website, on this particular account, I subscribe for the $1,000 package. Let me quickly show you that. My internet is a bit slow today, so you have to bear with me. You can see it here, right? You can see my package, you can see it here. This is it. You can see this is $1,000 package here that I actually subscribe on this page, and I get up to, sometimes I get $45, sometimes $50. That is the 5% of this particular package that I actually subscribe to, okay? So let me quickly go back to the trading plan and show you again, okay? So whichever one you choose out of all this trading plan, you'll be getting up to 5% weekly, okay? Let me quickly show you this one that I actually did. You see, Unlimited Forex Academy, okay? You will get 7 months high power signal. They actually give signal. If aside you getting up to 5% weekly from this project, from this particular website, you can actually trade your forex signal. Provided you subscribe for any of those plans, you have access to their signal. Let me go to the signal and show you the signals for today, which is something I also trade and I make money out of it. Aside me getting that 5%, okay? You can see their signal. You can see just they give you signals on crypto and on forex, right? So you can see on this particular 5 minutes ago, they asked you to buy Solana USD. You can see, you see, they say on this one, they say you should buy BNB USD. You can see on this one, 30 minutes ago, there was a signal that says you should buy euro, Great Britain pounds, you should sell, right? You can see. So when you come here, you're going to see different signals that they actually give to their members, okay? So aside you taking up to 5% from your package every week, you can also decide to trade on your own and also make additional money out of this website, okay? So let's go back to the packages. Let me actually show you some things that you need to know about the packages they have here, okay? We are using this $1,000 as a case study because that is what the one I subscribe to. Then there's another project that is going to come up very soon, which is an e-commerce store. Now, there's going to put up an e-commerce store where you can actually use your coin, or you can decide to use your fund to buy whatever you want to buy from the website, okay? That's another interesting thing that is coming up. Then you're going to be earning this 5% for 1 year, okay, which is 52 weeks, right? You can see 52 weeks here. So every week you'll be earning up to that 5%, right? Every week until 52 weeks, which is 1 year, right? And you can see you earn up to 5% here also. You can see it's stated here, right? So all you just need to do to start earning this 5% from this website is you're going to fund your accounts, right? After clicking on that first link below this video, you're going to come down here, click on this add fund. So it's either you use BTC or you use USDT, but I prefer using USDT. So you're going to come up here and you're going to click on automatic add funds, okay? So when you click on this automatic add funds, it's going to take you to the payment page. Now on this payment page, let's assume you want to do the 1,000 package, right? You're going to put $1,000 here. Okay, you're going to, because there's a 10% $10 activation fee. Let me quickly show you that. I'm so sorry about that. Let me quickly show you the 10% activation fee. Each of the package that you're going to be buying, there's a $10 for the activation fee. This is a company that is so transparent. Like I rightly told you, I've been here for over a year now, okay? So you can read there, it says a $10 activation fee applies. Please add an extra $10 with your package for activation. So let's assume you want to do this this $1,000 package now. All you need to do is to come to fund there. You click on add for automatic add fund, right? Then instead of putting just $1,000, you're going to put $1,010, right? So you're going to put it like this. Then you're going to click on add fund. Okay, so when you click on add fund, it's going to bring you here. So please watch this very well. What you need to do is this: is either you go to your Binance or whichever platform you want to send from, then you come here and you click on this, right? Just click exactly what is written here, right? Like this. Then you click on it, you copy it. When you copy this, you go to either your Binance, your KuCoin, whichever blockchain you are, whichever exchange or wallet you want to send it from. You're going to click this particular amount. As I click it here, then you're going to send it to this wallet address, okay? You can see the wallet address that is provided here. Then you're going to send it to this wallet address. After you send it to the wallet address, okay, then you're going to come here. After you must have sent it, please, then you're going to come here and you're going to click on pay with USDT Tron, okay? Remember, this is a USDT Tron, TRC20, please, right? This is TRC20. You're going to send this 1,000, this amount here, exactly as it is here that is copied here. You're going to send it to this wallet, this Tron wallet, TRC20. After you must have done that, then you come down here and you click on pay with USDT Tron, okay? After you do that, you're going to come back here. You're going to come back here and you're going to see that the money will be reflected in your account, okay? The money automatically, as soon as it goes through, is going to reflect here. You're going to see the money here because I initiated that transaction, so that's why it's showing your transaction has been initiated, okay? It's going to show here, right? So after it shows here, all you just need to do now is just to come here and you click on buy with top up balance, okay? Also, if you go to your dashboard here, so when you click on your dashboard, the amount that you sent, that $1,000, that $1,010 is going to show on your top-up balance here, right? So when it shows on your top-up balance here, you just go back to your trading pack here. You go back to your trading pack here, then you're going to use the amount that you sent, which is that $1,000, you're going to come down to this $1,000 package here, right? Then you're going to click on this buy with top up. Okay, so when you click on this buy with top up, you're going to click on yes. Then automatically, if you click on it, you're going to be subscribed to this $1,000 package here, right? So every week you start earning, because I'm not buying it now, I'm going to click on cancel. Then every week you automatically start earning up to 5% of your total investment. Okay, be it 250, you're going to earn up to 5%. Be it Pro 500, you're going to earn up to 5%. Be it 1,000, be it 5,000, you're going to be earning up to that 5% weekly of your total sum. Okay, like I rightly said, I'm not trying to bring down or castigate on STABLEFUND or Optimus or any of those websites. Okay, I'm just showing you an alternative that I believe is better than all those other websites, and these guys actually show you their trade. Okay, so every day you can decide to come here, come to my Facebook. Are you going to check their trade? Are you going to see how they're actually performing? Okay. You might want to ask me, who are the guys behind this project? Let me quickly show you the guys behind this project. I'm sorry, I just have to go to when you actually click that first link below the video, you can go to the website and you get to see the guys right behind this project. Okay, this is Ash Islam, is the chief marketing officer of the project. Okay, and this is the CEO of the project. These guys are based in the United Kingdom. Okay, and this is the CEO of the project. Okay, these are guys that have been in this industry for a very long time. The name of this guy is called John